of bodies are always compared with the earth, always compared with the earth, always compared with the earth. So generally you can take two bodies of it, like for example A and B. So they are moving with the same velocities in same direction. So for example, this is the relative velocity A with respect to the B. So what is the formula?
VA minus UV.
VA minus VB. So whenever you can take like this, so you can take ground as respect of individual bodies. Clear? So always you can take like VA with respect to the ground, VB with respect to the ground. Clear? So generally you can take this formula way. So all the relative velocities you can take with respect to of the ground only. Clear? Not for individually. Okay, Nabi.
Okay, sir.
Write down, Nabi. Write down.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll discuss some problems. Okay, discuss some problems. Problems.
Okay, sir.
Relative velocity. Yeah, okay. Problem is first problem is okay. First problem is okay. Listen, Abhi. First problem ఏంటంటే so this is one person. This is one person. So one more person is beside of them. Beside of them, one more person is there. So this is person A. This is person B. So if person A moving with the 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second, and person B, yeah, person B moving with the 20 meters per second, 20 meters per second. Okay. So here two persons are there. So this is person A, this is person B. So what is the speed of the person A?
10 meter per second.
10 meters per second. So what is the person B? Speed of the person B?
20 meter per second.
Yeah, 20 meters per second. So now I will ask you one question. So what is the relative velocity? So what is the relative velocity A with respect to B? So A with respect to B. So what is the relative velocity? BAB.
With respect VA minus UV.
Yeah, VA minus VB. But with respect to the individual bodies as a ground. VA with respect to the ground, VB with respect to the ground. Ground hai kada. So they are running with the ground. Kada. So they are running with the ground. So now you can take individual velocities with respect of ground. Clear? So what is the velocity? So what is the velocity of A with respect to the ground?
Oh, 10
So 10.
minus
So
20.
10 minus 20. So what is the value?
Minus 10.
Minus 10 meters per
9
second.
meter per second. Okay.
Please copy it up. Now we'll do some more problem.
Okay, sir. Copy.
Yeah. So next, what is the relative velocity B with respect to A? So from this problem, what is the relative velocity with respect to, sorry, what is the relative velocity B with respect to A?
10 meter per second. 10
Excellent.
meter per
Plus 10 meters per second. So formula is B with respect to A is relative velocity of B with respect to the ground and A with respect to the ground. So here B speed of the B is 20, speed of the A is 10. Now you will get 10 meters per second. Copy it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Next one more problem. One more problem is, so two vehicles are there, like two cars are there. So this is the first car. This is first car. So one more car is there. This is one more car. One more car. So for example, this is B. This is A car. So A car moving with this speed. A car moving with this speed 30 meters per second. So car B is moving with the speed of 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. So what is the relative velocity? So what is the relative velocity B with respect to A?
40 meter per second.
Excellent, Avi, 40 meters per second. So what is the formula?
VA plus VB. Okay, VB plus VA.
Yeah, so VB with respect to the ground minus of opposite direction. So now you can take minus VAG. So this is will become VBG minus into minus plus VAG. Here VBG is 10 plus 30. Now you'll get 40 meters per second. Yeah, copy it.
Okay, sir. Copy.
Yeah, okay. Next, one more question. One more question is, one more question is, one more question is, so this is tally, Abhi. This is tally. This is tally. This is tally. So in the trolley, so one person is standing on the trolley. So like for example, this person name is A. So in the ground, so one person is there. So he was observing what is the how it is moving on the trolley. So he is a observer like B. So B. Now trolley speed is, now speed of the trolley is 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. Speed of the trolley is 10 meters per second. Next, this is observer. This is observer. This is observer. This is observer. Listen very carefully. So, what is the relative velocity? So, what is the relative velocity A with respect to B?
Uh, Parallel 10, root 10, B 0.
So, what is the relative velocity? Root 10, no?
Uh,
I don't ask the magnitude of velocity, just I'm asking you. So, what is the relative velocity A with respect to B?
10 meter per second.
10 meters per second. So, here, relative velocity of A with respect to B is relative velocity of A with respect to the ground minus relative velocity of B with respect to the ground. Relative velocity of A with respect to the ground 10 minus 0. Now you will get 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. So copy it. Okay? Copy this. Okay, copy it. Abhi.
Yes, sir, copy.
Yeah. So if for example, so in this tally, listen very carefully. In this tally, so now A and B was standing away. So in this same tally, so and A and B was so standing on this tally. So what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B? B is not there, Abhi. So B also sitting on the trolley. So trolley is moves with the speed of 10 meters per second. So what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B?
0, sir.
Yeah, excellent, Abhi. So 0. So formula is relative velocity of A with respect to B is, so relative velocity of A, relative velocity of B. So what is the relative velocity of A is 10. What is the relative velocity of A?
Rate velocity of 0. 10.
No, so how you will get 0? How you will get 0? Tell me.
Eh, okay, sir. 10 meter per second, sir. Adi 10 meter per second. 10 meter.
Yeah, so okay. So that's why you will get the 0. So A both are sitting on the trolley. So trolley moves with the same speed. Same speed like velocity of A is also 10. Velocity of B is also 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. So relative velocity of A with respect to B. So relative velocity of B with respect to A from this trolley.
0, I think, sir.
So that also 0. Okay, copy it.
10
Abhi.
minus 10.
Okay, excellent copy. Copy it. Copy it. Copy it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Next, one more question. So this question is very difficult. This question is very difficult. So like this is the trolley. This is trolley. This is trolley. So in this trolley, so trolley was moving with the 10 meters per second speed. So trolley was moving with the 10 meters per second. So one person is so standing on the trolley, standing on the trolley. So he was. So from name is A. So A is speed. So A is speed with respect to the trolley is 2 meters per second. From A speed 2 meters per second the trolley. So like this is the observer. So this is the observer. Like observer was B. So observer was B. So he was observing. So he was observing. So what is the relative velocity? So what is the relative velocity A with respect to the B? So what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B?
12 meter per second.
12 meters per second. So how you'll get that 12 meters per second?
అంటే A equals to 2 meter per second plus trolley 10 meter per second.
Okay,
2 plus
okay,
that.
plus 12. Okay, I mean, so that is the analysis correct. But I am using some fundamental calculation of it. So now here we can verify. So we know B. So we know velocity of A. Velocity of A. Velocity of A 2 meters per second. Velocity of trolley is 10 meters per second. Clear? So velocity of A. Velocity of A. Wait, Abhi, wait. Wait, Abhi, wait a minute. Yeah, okay, Abhi. So velocity of A with respect to the trolley. Yeah, velocity of A with respect to the trolley. So what is the formula?
VA minus VAG minus
Yeah,
VTG.
yeah. So VAG minus VTC. So here, so here we know. Okay, so here we know. So velocity of A with respect to the trolley. So what is the speed? This is A with
Minus
respect
A.
to the trolley. No, no, no. This is the person A with respect to the trolley. So what is the speed? Look this diagram very carefully. Velocity of A with respect to the trolley. What is the speed? Yeah, 2. 2. So velocity of A with respect to the ground, what is the speed?
Uh, 10 meter per second.
We don't know B. So velocity of A with respect to the ground, we don't know. So just he was sitting on the trolley, not for the ground B. So B was standing on the ground. Now here you will calculate the B with respect to the ground. It is easy, but here it is not possible. So we don't know. So actually, so velocity of A was only sitting on the trolley. So trolley was moving, not for the ground. So A does not interacting with the ground. So that's why you don't know about the velocity of A with respect to the ground. So but what is the velocity of trolley with respect to the ground?
10
Trolley,
sir. Okay. 10.
yeah, trolley with respect to the ground is 10. So what is the velocity of A with respect to the ground?
Uh, 12 meter per second.
Yeah, 12 meters per second. But this is not answer, my answer. This is not my answer. But my answer is, so what is the relative velocity? So what is the relative velocity of A with respect to the B? So relative velocity of A with respect to the B. So what is the formula?
VAG
Yeah, so
minus
velocity, yeah,
VG sir.
minus velocity of B with respect to the ground.
From
Now, so what is the relative velocity of A with respect to the ground?
12 sir.
12. So what is the velocity? What is the velocity of B with respect to the ground?
0 it means.
0. So it doesn't move away. So it doesn't move. Just he was observing. So he was observing. Just he was a observer. Just he was a observer. Just he was a observer observing. So what is the how much of speed is how much of speed on the trolley is moving? So how much of speed on the trolley person was moving with the trolley? So just he was observing. So what is the relative velocity between those? So here we don't know about the relative velocity of B with respect to the ground. Just he was observing, so that's why 0. Now you'll get 12 meters per second. So this is the relative velocity of A with respect to the B. So here now you can do like this calculation only. You'll get the answer. Clear, Abhi? Do you have any doubts?
Yes sir. Clear.
Yeah, copy it, Abhi.
Okay sir. Completed.
Yeah, okay. I will give you one question, Abhi. I will give you one question. So look carefully. So here also this is trailing. This is trailing. Wait a minute. So this is trailing. This is trolley. Trolley. So trolley. So now trolley was moving with a speed 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. So now one person was standing on the trolley. So person A. So he was moving with his speed 3 meters per second. 3 meters per second. Now here one vehicle is there, like car is there, car is there. This is car. This is car. So car was moving with his speed 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. Yeah, for example, car name was B. Car name was B. So what is the relative velocity? So what is the relative velocity A with respect to the B? Yeah, do this problem B. Please copy it Abhi. So both are on the road only. So both are moving on the road. Same road Abhi. Same road.
7.
Yeah, same.
-7 also.
-7. No Abhi. No.
BHG 30 meter per second also.
13 meters per second. So what is the difference between previous problem and this? Looks very carefully. Looks
అంటే
very
B
carefully. Looks
అబ్జర్వ్
very
చేస్తాను
carefully.
ఇక్కడ
Yeah. Now here you are doing some small mistake. So VAG calculation you are doing small mistake. So what is that mistake you are observing? So from this diagram and from this diagram, what is the difference?
ఓకే ఓకే సార్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ ఆపోజిట్
Yeah.
ఆపోజిట్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ వెళ్తున్నాయి ఏ
Yeah.
ప్లస్ విబే
No. So trolley was moving in one direction, but person. So in the when who was standing on the trolley, so he was moving in the opposite direction. Yeah. So what is happening? So what is the VAC?
BHG 7 meter per second.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Thank you. VB
So
20s.
no.
VBG.
So we no. So what I'm asking, Avi, so what is the relative velocity of A with respect to the B? What is this answer?
So,
Just you are saying like that only. What is relative velocity of A with respect to the A with respect to the ground only? You then you are calculating only that value. So but that is not in our answer. Our answer is what is the relative velocity of A with respect to the B?
27. Or 20.
What is the answer? What is the answer?
27 meter per second. Sir.
No, no.
27 is
27.
so,
So how you can take like that? Both two relative velocities are adding.
VA plus VB.
Yeah,
7
VA plus
plus.
V. Yeah, VA plus VB. But here, but here, listen very carefully. So here, which velocity is very higher? Rally velocity is very higher, or